Hello everybody, how are you? Hope you all are well. Today in this video, I will discuss about the process how you can change your profile picture in academicportal.in. In the academic portal, as already I have mentioned that there are two types of profile, one for individual and another one for institute. In individual profile, you may change your profile picture. For that, click the login or register, the top left corner, then click on for individual. Login page will open. Put your mail ID. You may log in using your password if you have already set the password. If you have not yet set your password, you may log in with OTP, or you may go for proceed for new password. I am showing here the login with password. Password hitting page now opened. Put your password. Click on login. Your profile picture page, home page of your profile is now open. Then, if you have already set your photo, it will be visible here. If you have not yet set the photo, click on upload or change photo. This photo changing page is now open. Click on the photo and select a photo from your computer. If you are using it from your mobile, you may capture a photo right now. I'm searching for a photo. I'm selecting this one. Photo has been selected. Just zoom and capture it for appropriate position. Okay, this looks good. Then left, right bottom, there is a crop button. Click on the crop. Photo will be cropped now. It may take few seconds depending on the network speed. The photo has been cropped and looks good. So I may go back to the previous page. For this, click on the back to previous page. My bubble photo has been changed. So if you find it is helpful, please like it and share it with your friends. Have a good day. Thank you.